Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Marcia. If you're someone who has always wanted to learn crochet but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through absolute basics like what you need to begin, how to make a slip knot, how to hold your hook, how to hold your yarn properly. Take your time while watching. You can pause and practice along with me. Let's begin. The first thing we need is yarn. As a beginner, I recommend using DK weight or Aran weight yarn. These are medium thickness yarns and they are much easier to control compared to very thin or very thick yarn. Here I am using the yarn from Hobby Store. It is Aran cotton yarn. Cotton is great because it doesn't stretch too much so you can clearly see your stitches. You can also use acrylic yarn, that's completely fine and usually more affordable. For beginners, following the recommended hook size on the label makes things much easier. The recommended hook size for this yarn is 4 to 5 mm. Next is the crochet hook. I'm using 4 mm hook here because it matches my yarn. Hooks comes in different materials, aluminum, plastic, with or without handles. If you're just starting, I recommend an aluminum hook with a soft handle. It gives better grip and comfortable for longer practice sessions. If your hands feel tired quickly, try switching hooks. Sometimes comfort makes a big difference. Also, you will need scissors, better to keep one just for crocheting. Stitch markers, very helpful for beginners when you start doing projects. A yarning needle to weave in the ends neatly after finishing a project. That's all. Crochet is actually very simple in terms of tools. Now let's make our first slip knot. First remove the yarn label and find the yarn tail. Now to do the slip knot, hold the yarn tail between your fingers like this with your thumb. Wrap it around two fingers to form a cross in the front and a parallel line in the back. Now with the hook, place it under the first strand. Grab the second strand with the hook and pull it through gently. Now remove your fingers and pull slightly to form the knot. The knot should move freely on the hook. If it is too tight, your stitches will be difficult to make, and if it is too loose, your work may look messy. Try making this 3-4 times before moving forward. Don't worry if it feels awkward, this is completely normal. Now let's talk about how to hold the hook. There are two common ways. One is knife hold, like holding a knife, and the other is pencil hold, like holding a pencil. I personally prefer the knife hold because I feel I have better control. But there is no correct or incorrect way. Try both for a few minutes and choose what feels natural. The key is your grip should be relaxed. If you hold the hook too tightly, your hands may get tired quickly. Here comes the most important part, yarn tension. This is a simple method. Take the working yarn and wrap it once around the pinky finger. Bring it across your ring and middle finger. Then wrap it once around your index finger. The yarn should glide smoothly when you pull it. If it feels stuck, loosen it slightly. If it feels too loose, wrap it one more time around your finger. In the beginning, your stitches may look uneven and that is completely okay. With practice, your hands will automatically learn the right tension. Practice these basics before moving on to stitches. In my next video, we will start with the chain stitch and the single crochet, the foundation of most crochet projects. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.